Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel. I'm April, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're not subscribed already, please click that subscribe button down below, and also click the little bell button so you can receive notifications whenever I post a new video. So today's video is going to be about my Shea box. I received my second Shea Moisture brand ambassador box, and I'm going to share that with you all today. If you follow me on social media, I recently posted a picture of the items that were inside the box, but today I'm going to do a demo and also the review for you. So inside this box, I have the Manuka honey and yogurt, Hydrate and Repair with Mafura and Baobab oils. So I was really excited to get this because when this collection came out, I wanted to try it. So I'm glad that I was able to do that. And this box came with a lot of goodies. In here, I received the Hydrate and Repair shampoo, which is this. The Hydrate and Repair conditioner. The Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Bleach which is this. The Hydrate Repair Split-In Balm. And the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. So for this video, I did my wash routine. I used the shampoo, conditioner, and the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment because I've said recently in other videos, I have a lot of heat and bleach damage with my hair. If you have heat styled hair, then this is probably going to be a good collection for you also because it says it reduces breakage on heat styled hair up to 75%. So it's good for either or. It can be used for heat styled hair, transitioning hair, or natural hair. And I think you could still get all the benefits from it. So let's just get right into it. And I'm going to show you how I use these products. I'll be starting on wet hair, and first I'm going to use the Hydrate and Repair shampoo. I'm going to work it into my hair until I get a good lather. And like I've said in my previous video, I always use a generous amount of product, so I'm just going to add a little bit more to get that lather going. So at first I didn't know if this was a tangle teaser or a scalp massager, so I started using this as a scalp massager in the beginning just so I could focus on my roots some more. And notice as I'm washing my hair, I'm mainly focusing on the roots since that is where the new growth is, because you don't want to dry the oldest part of your hair, which is your ends. Now I'm using the Hydrate and Repair conditioner. Some of the benefits of using this shampoo and conditioner is that it repairs your hair by reducing breakage on heat styled hair up to 76%. It's sulfate free. It works alone to gently cleanse the hair while strengthening strands from roots to tip. And also, it replenishes the moisture to dry, brittle strands while promoting a healthy shine. I'm going to leave this in for 3 minutes. My hair was long overdue for a protein treatment, so next I'm going to go in with the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment for extremely dry and brittle hair. Protein treatments are good for repairing damaged hair that is caused by overprocessing, and this one in particular helps to strengthen the hair by reducing breakage up to 76%. It also helps to reinforce and revitalize abused hair fibers, and also fortifies weak strands, combating breakage and split ends to leave hair looking smooth and healthy. And this you can also use as a pre-wash intensive treatment. So now that I figured out that this is a tangle teaser, I'm going to use this now to work the product through my ends. And now I'm going to go in with my detangle brush to detangle the rest of my head. The directions say to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm going to put a shower cap on to keep in the moisture. My 15 minutes are up, and when I removed the shower caps, my hair was very soft. I had good definition on my ends, and I could comb through it with ease. I have rinsed out the protein treatment, so I'm just using a t-shirt now to soak up some of the excess water, and now my hair is ready to style. So this concludes my demonstration using the shampoo, the conditioner, and the protein treatment. My hair was in need of a protein treatment because I haven't done one in a while, so I was satisfied with how it left my hair. It did leave my hair feeling really moisturized. The only issue that I did have was the conditioner. There wasn't much slip with the conditioner, so it was hard for me to detangle, but I had to actually apply more than usual of the conditioner because it wasn't as thick and creamy as the other conditioners usually are. But overall, it was still good. The smell, it smelled like powder. And I also used this Tangle teaser that they sent inside the box, and I found that that was good to use as far as trying to get through my ends. So that is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, bye.